the outside of the forest area, and
We are in the town of Okhrey, and we found us a cute homestay.
Diven found us a cute homestay.
Yes.
So Diven can show us around.
Yes. Follow me. This is the name of this place. It's called Bodhi Villa, and the good thing is it faces the mountains. It's a little downstairs, and then it has a magnificent view. Come.
Welkom. Oh. Oh. Hey, hello, doggy.
So, friendly dog, didn't bark.
And look at this. There are finally some flowering rhododendrons.
I didn't even see that. That's a bonus.
That's a bonus. Let me
We went to
zoom
the
in.
Rhodo Sanctuary and we didn't see any, and now we find it
One. They are so pretty.
when we were not even looking for it. Yes.
Yeah, maybe they have rhododendrons down.
That's our stay. Our room is on the first floor. Come, let's meet the family.
Let's meet the family. I'm so excited. It's so cute.
Yeah.
They have dogs. All the houses have dogs. Bodhi Villa, it's written on there.
Bodhi Villa. Yeah.
Let's go inside.
Yes. Got to take off our shoes. Hello. Hi.
They have a
Yeah.
puppy. Hey puppy. Smell me? Am I alright?
Yes. Your friends. And that's Uncle and Auntie,
Hello.
our hosts.
Nice to meet you.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. ठीक है uncle.
This is our homestay. This is our view. This is my new pet. And we're going to show the room together with my pet. We are in room A3. Ah, so cute. All flowery. There is even a rhododendron there. I'm gonna put him down for a second. And this is the bathroom. Room. And then we have some cool views. So yeah, pretty basic but very cute. That is where we are. There, the second floor, in that door, that's where we stay. Wayne and me are exploring the property.
Yes, and they have huts.
Huts.
That was also an option for us, but we chose a room because it would be warmer at night. But it's so pretty. It's evening time and we are right in the clouds. The clouds have come up to this property and we can see absolutely nothing around us. It's totally magical. I love the mist. Big fan.
I love the mist, and then it needs to clear up to see the
Yes.
mountain.
Turn around.
Whoa!
Let's show everyone the mist.
Look, there's literally nothing to see. There will be a white cloud behind us.
Okay. Exactly. That's called the mist. And they have their own fields below. You can also just go down and explore.
We go.
We will.
Look at this funny tree. It's like there's all how you call caterpillars on there. It's a caterpillar tree.
And
Rhodos.
the elusive Rhodo.
Flower. Beautiful flower.
You want to go sit down there?
Yes.
And we are walking in the clouds.
Yes. We are at all 3,000 meters.
Yes. And we just bumped into this homestay. We were trying to find a place. It's literally the first place I saw. I asked, I got a good price. And this property is absolutely magnificent. If you guys are in this side of the town, you all should stay at this property for sure. And the hosts are super sweet, super accommodating. The food we've had till now is super delicious. So yeah.
Yeah, they made lunch for us, although it's 3 o'clock.
It was actually 4. And the lunch was over, but they prepared something for us because we were super hungry. We had not had lunch, so yeah. This is the doggo from the next property. He's taking a liking for us.
Yeah, he is really cute.
Yeah.
You want to say something to the camera? Look there. Oh, he's not. Oh, he's so soft. You have a spiky and you. Okay, you can sit with us. That's alright. Mwah! Okay, we're gonna enjoy, we're gonna read a little bit. There, where
Yeah.
our stuff is.
We have a spot there somewhere amongst the mist.
Do you think he will catch a stick?
Yeah, try.
Stick!
He thought you were attacking him.
No. Going redo it. Stick! Food is ready.
Name is Siergam, but it is generally called churpi.
Okay. And you use this in the dal?
Yes, like a dal.
Like a dal, okay.
It's a
Interesting.
local dish.
Right. We loved
Please
it.
take it. Please take
Yes,
it.
yes, yes.
You want a spoon?
No, we'll eat with our hands.
This is dal with churpi, rice, egg, papal, pickle, and this is bhaji.
Very nice. You know your Indian food now.
It is
Yes.
organic.
Organic.
Yes.
Organic potato and organic peas. Okay?
Everything is
Yeah.
from the farm.
Yes. Lovely.
Nice.
Yes.
More sauce.
This is the best food we've had in Sikkim. Here. Amazing. All credit to the chef here. Yes, indeed.
It's also just that cheese. I love that there's cheese in my meal. The churpi and the dal. And the organic ghee. Everything is so delicious. In our upcoming vlog, we'll do some local shopping and indulge in some delightful tea tasting. After saying goodbye to the warm family, we will begin our journey back to Gangtok, making picturesque stops at scenic Okhrey Monastery and the lush teamy tea estate, adding special moments to our return trip.